Hello there, and welcome to the wild story of Lug Nut Lament.
Here to get the brakes, the rotors, the calipers, the brake pads that we needed for the rear of the disco, and gonna pick up a few other things like a lug nut bar, a wrench, maybe some lug nuts. Might just order those online. Just some things we need to get it done quickly. As far as the brakes go. These things come out. Alright, so just went to Home Depot, got some things, I'll show you in a second. Tried to get the lug nuts off the disco and couldn't do it. Could barely even get the lug wrench on, which makes some sense. And so I did a quick Google, found a nice video from Atlantic British saying that, you know, sometimes these things get warped. They swell up, get the wrong size, and then you have some fun to ensue. So, I was trying to get it off, everything I could do, could not get them to budge with the normal thing, so went out and got some impact sockets and some regular sockets that are a little bit bigger drive, you see here, and then got a larger breaker bar than the one I have. So the boy and I are doing a little running around. We got the lug nuts off, which was a chore. There were multiples that were in really bad shape, and I saw the one that failed it. It was just tore up. Those caps were, I mean, it was completely rounded except for at the very spot where it connects with the wheel, but I was able to pound 1/16 in there and get it off with the brake bar. And so now we're on the quest for lug nuts, because we're going to need lug nuts to get this thing back on. I think, you know, all of them probably need to get replaced. First store we went to didn't have any. Said Monday at the earliest. Just called Advanced Auto Parts. Looks like they have some. So I'm going to go check them out, see if they work, and if they do, we're going to be back in business. Very least, I think we can get the brakes done. Even if we were going to leave it in the garage till Monday, we don't need the truck till Monday. Hopefully headed out to the beach then. So here's the hoping.
So we're having a bit of an issue with a lug nut right now. It's not wanting to cooperate and come out. We think that the cap is spinning, but not the actual lug nut itself. This is now our problem solving solution when it comes to lug nuts. Just mallet it in. Or hammer it in, whichever of the two works. It's not a good angle to do the stand on it trick.
Yeah, no.
And this one's a tough one to solve. Oh, you got it. Oh, that was only the cap.
You can get it now, though.
Yeah. Getting a better angle.
It's free.
Yes, yes, I got it on camera, yes.
You can take the sacrificial socket. I don't care. Look how Mama got it.
This is a very victorious moment for us.
So, went and got these lug nuts from Advanced Auto Parts. Their information says they fit, and indeed this hole here does indeed fit on the bolt. However, you can tell, especially next to one of these, right, it's not even close to the right size. This whole extra area here just doesn't work, so it would never keep the wheel on. So thankfully I can just take those back. That's not a big deal, but that's kind of where we're at. I've got 5 usable lug nuts still. that I can just kind of pull off and reuse. I've got 5 more coming. They're supposed to be here Monday at 2 p.m. So we're aiming to go on a beach trip Monday, so it might be like a 4 p.m. beach trip. Hopefully I can get everything else done with the brakes and get it so that we can just kind of roll out when needed.
We had packed the Land Rover up to go to the beach tonight because our lug nuts were supposed to come in today. As you can see, we are still without tires and lug nuts. So now we're offloading everything from the Land Rover to our other car. We're dependent on the generosity of friends to drive us and all of our stuff out onto the beach tonight. Thankfully, we have friends who are willing to do that.
So I'm getting ready to take this back to the inspection company to see if I can get the inspection passed this time. But one of the things that failed was the lug nuts. These are the nice ones that I was able to save from the rear when I was taking them off with the brakes. You can see they're in good shape. Actually, I'm sorry, these are the brand new ones I bought. These are the capped OEMs. They're nice. I like the way they look, but I'm really leery about especially taking them back to an inspection place. I think they're going to end up just using an impact wrench, and then I'm going to be up a creek without a paddle. So what I did was I actually went online and I bought these chrome plated solid lug nuts. I got them off eBay. I can post a link for that if that's something that everybody's interested in. I found them all over the forums. So right now I'm just kind of replacing the lug nuts. I'm getting ready to do this side, see how they look. So this is the finished look. You can see they're pretty much the same. They're a little more shiny. They kind of outdo the wheels. These wheels are in badly needed some rehab. I'll have to look in and see if I can get those done myself, or if I need new wheels, what it is, but that's them. But anyway, that's Lug Nut Lament. Hopefully you understand. If you have a Land Rover, or you get a Land Rover and you're like watching this video because you're having issues with lug nuts, there's a way to get them off. It sucks, but there's a way. Go buy solid chrome lug nuts. You can find them on eBay. Again, I'm gonna post the link in the description below. And good luck.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up or a like, and consider subscribing. Also, if you have any suggestions on what we can do better, then please leave a comment below letting us know. It really helps us out.